Okay guys, so here we are back at it. So I picked up some let's see here, we got some Bondo glass. I picked up some more fiberglass mat. I picked up some more of that good stuff. So this is what I picked up. It was like $7.50 or something like that at Walmart. It's a pretty good deal for 45 yards. This should last a really long ass time. Picked up, sorry if I'm pointing, and I picked up some more hardener for the resin, and yeah, that's it. That's all she wrote. So I guess the game plan for today is going to be, I'm going to try and pull off the quarter panel and get this guy on there as well, and then I'm also gonna go over this thing and kind of get it. I'm pretty much just gonna do a couple quick swipes with the Bondo glass to try and fix up any like the major fuck ups in it, and then yeah, that should be that. And then we'll also have to pull the oil cooler off at some point, so that way we can figure out the mounting solution as to how I'm going to mount this. I pretty much just made tabs. There's a good chance I might just end up welding on more tabs like we did for like the call it, I can't remember, for the fan that's on there. But yeah, that's the gist, and that's what's gonna happen. So let's do this. Alright, so there it is. Obviously it's very crude right now. We will probably have to, I mean, once I put on fiberglass, it'll thicken up because there's quite a bit of room right here. But yeah, there's that. Should feed right in. And there's that. We're dealing with some pretty tight clearances here. So, yeah, should work. Let's do this. Okay, so that's done. I got it in front of the heater because the heat will speed up the curing process. Now I'm going to probably start on getting all these little imperfections filled up. Obviously, so this is what we're going to see the most of. And then like this. So this is all going to be the priority. The back isn't too big of a deal because it'll be like this. So pretty much all you'll see is this. So I'm going to focus on that. That stuff doesn't matter. It's just gonna get painted black. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on this. Alright, so I actually made way too much, so I just skimmed the whole fucking thing. And then this one right now is I actually got the cup out right there. Just used like the back end of the hammer, pounded it through. Worked good. So now that's out, and now we're just kind of putting some heat right in this because it's not dry. But yeah, so now we're just playing the waiting game. So let's do that. running back and forth, and I had to do some modifications in there, but it fits now. The game plan is I got to get this sanded down and then spray it and then install it. I might actually do some Bondo work on the inside too, so that way that's nice and smooth like all this shit. So let's just get to it. Alright, good job. As always, spraying in a well-ventilated area. Sweet. So yeah, I kind of skipped a couple spots. I think I forgot to turn on the GoPro. But yeah, that's pretty much done. And that is pretty much done, other than we have to figure out the mounting. Look at them tears. What a little bitch. My eyes are burning. I really wish that I had the proper things, but oh, poor boy. So yeah, that once that's dry, I'm gonna go slap that on the car again, and then I'm not sure what else we're gonna do. I may pull the oil cooler off, and we can figure out the mounting. That'd probably be the smart thing to do, because then this thing can get done, but we'll see what happens. So let's just keep going. Okay, so there it is, back on. See through there. It's not the greatest. It's not like 100%, but you know how I am. I'm lazy. I don't like doing body work all the time. But yeah, that thing looks pretty sweet. Yeah, I think it looks fucking sick. I will have to do it again over here. Yay. But yeah, so now we're gonna be doing the whatchamacallit here. Okay, enough of that. So what I've decided on is I welded this, and I'm basically gonna weld it right here, and then I'm gonna drill holes in that, and then tap it or something, and then we'll basically drill some holes through here. So I notched this, so that way it slides right in, and then we'll just have the like 2 screws up here or whatever. So that should work pretty good. And then I actually will also probably weld some of this thin stuff right on here, so there's even more of a channel that's holding this in. But yeah, other than that, just got to get that welded onto here. Let's do that. Alright, that's mounted, and it all fits. There's like barely any, pretty good. So I had to put a flat spot on that side. We'll have to obviously take it off again, and I'll have to put like some screen foam around the edge so it's nice seal. But yeah, looks good. Now I'm gonna go grab the hose and can get the hose on there for the first time. I haven't seen it on there yet, so looks freaking sweet so far. So let's do this. Boom, there it is. So yeah, we'll be upgrading that to like ducting they use for brakes. But yeah, that'll work until I can get that. Obviously we just got to hose clamp it on down there, hose clamp it there, and good to go. So that looks pretty cool. It should work real good. Goes in, out into the oil cooler. And obviously the fan will be sucking too, so whenever its thermostat kicks it up. Oh, fuck. But yeah, that looks pretty fucking sick. So yeah, that's going to be it for this one, guys. So you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.